Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. And today what I've got for you is a really cool balloon design. I'm going to show you how to make an octopus with only 2 balloons. Here's what it looks like, really cool. And you're probably thinking I can only see 4 legs there. And octopuses do have 8 legs. But if you look closely, got some flower petals that are sort of acting like are sort of there for legs that are curled up, because octopuses do, they sort of move in a very flowy manner and the tentacles are rolling out and they're rolling back in. So I think this is a super cool design. It's pretty easy to do. All you need is 2 260 balloons. And what we're going to do first of all, after giving it a squeeze and a stretch, going to make its first tentacle. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do sort of about an 8-finger bubble, and I'm just going to sort of squeeze it into an S shape like that. Okay, just giving it a squeeze there, so I'll get that sort of curvy sort of tentacle kind of look, and then I'm just going to twist there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little flower petal, so about 3-4 fingers. There we go, there's the flower petal. And I'm just going to come back over the top of the flower petal, just like that. And I'm just going to twist that around. And then you should have plenty here to do your last leg. So I'm going to keep it quite short. I've got plenty to pop off here. I'm just going to pop off. I'm just going to let the air out slowly because I do want to keep some of this. Now if I want with this sort of loose, sort of straggly end, I can always just cut that off with a pair of scissors. But again, I'm just going to give it a little squeeze, and we've got the tentacles of our, so we've got 2 tentacles there and sort of the head of our octopus. So I'm going to blow up the other 260. And again, I'm going to do this, I'm just going to blow it up. So we've got a good sort of 6 to 8 fingers uninflated. Let some air out. Give it a good stretch and a good squeeze. Now you don't want to overinflate this because you're going to do a number of flower petal twists. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the next tentacle. And now I'm going to do 4 flower petal twists. Give the balloon a really good squeeze and stretch here, keep it nice and soft. And again, no more than 3 fingers. Now they do need to be all about the same size. Don't have to be exact, but they need to be pretty close. And you should have plenty left for your last tentacle. So you see I've got loads here. I'm just going to pop some of this off. I've got a bit too much. Just let a little bit of the air out. Just a bit more. Again, I can tidy that up with a pair of scissors. Again, just massage it at the end. And there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take what we did with the first 260 and we're going to tie them together around the 4 flower petals that you can see there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just tightly going to twist that into the bottom of my octopus's head, just around here. Where I'm just putting my fingers there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put each tentacle, one of my 4 tentacles, between the flower petal twist, just like I've done with this tentacle here, which you can probably see. So I've got a tentacle here, I've got a flower twist here, and I've got the tentacle coming out. And there you can see we've got a really cool looking octopus. Now don't worry if all the tentacles aren't exactly the same size. As long as they're roughly equal in length, that doesn't matter. And you can see we're using the flower petals sort of for the tentacles that are curled up. So you get this super cool looking design. Now here's something that you might not know, but if you want to give an octopus a giggle, what do? You give it 10 tickles. Tentacles, you get it? Okay, so what I'm going to do, finish off with a bit of artwork. Now I could, if I wanted to, get an offcut and squeeze some eyes in through there, the front of the head, but I'm just going to use what I've got already here just to draw my eyes on here. And there we have a really cool looking 2-balloon octopus. Anyway, thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you then. Don't forget, hit me up with a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, tell me what you think. If there's any other sort of balloon designs that you'd like me to have a go at, leave a comment, and I can certainly look into doing that for you. Okay, thank you very much, and goodbye.